Good evening. Unfortunately, wala na yung aming mga lovable friendsters. So, naisip namin ng kakaibang topic. Ang gagawin namin ngayon is
The Filipino facial expressions.
in Spanish with halong
Oh my
Filipino
gosh.
accent.
Someone texted me.
Pansin naman natin, maraming Filipino expressions and marami rin, syempre, Filipino facial expressions. So, let's start.
Oh, I'm sorry.
First, ikaw, ano bang expression mo kapag kinikilig ka?
Kinikilig. Naku, that's so essy. So essy.
Essie.
You
Spell
make a
Essie.
bit of S and C. Essy.
Very good. Okay.
So, I'm gonna
Kaya
remove
ako yung, ako yung the handsome boylet. Okay. Ako yung handsome. Ay, wait. Ulit. Tatabi tayo.
Make me
5,
pakilig.
4, 3, 2, 1.
You make me pakilig.
Hi. Okay, that's facial expression number 1. 1.
When
for the
you're
number 2.
kinikilig,
Okay.
you just do it like this.
You're like Emily Rose in The Exorcist.
Yeah, you do it
You look
like
like
that.
pala, you
so,
look like.
So that the guy beside you will be
Impressed? Turn on? Turn on pa ba yung mga lalaki?
Like
Okay, for the number 2, ikaw naman ang the boylet. Ako naman ang magpapakita. Tayo ka kunyari, ano ba naman yan? Walang effort naman to. Yan.
hi.
Okay. That's what you call the commercial models. Kasi di ba sa mga commercial yung slow mo na gano'n, yung parang ganda yung gagawin nyo. You just have to smile, and kung may electric fan kayo, dalhin nyo dun sa jeep or sa kahit anong upuan. Basta may saksakan, madala na kayong connector, hangin-hangin yung buhok nyo.
You just have to smile and do it like this.
Wait, slow mo.
Ay,
Okay, for the
number 3.
Okay, ako naman. Ulit.
I don't.
Game.
I'm gonna stand up too.
Oh, sige. Ako ang upo. Okay po.
We stand up both.
We stand up both. Okay.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Kamay.
That's
That's what you call in the teleserye, yung mga sabay sila magkakatitigan.
And then the girl just, goes crazy too much. Like that.
At
Okay.
for the number 4. For example, malalaglag to. Dito lang. Okay, kunyari malalaglag. And then, sabay pupulutin. Okay, ayun yung sa kilig. We have 4 facial expressions. Pag galit naman, ako muna mauna. Sige.
No, wait. I'm gonna be your suitor. And
Sige. Kaya
you don't like me.
ugly suitor ka. Game. Magbibigay ka na naman ng ganito. Wala ka na ibang ginawa. Pato talaga. Ooh. Pag galit, yung ilong, nakakaya ako. Yung butas ng ilong na aking ganan. It's like that. And parang kang bull na gaganan. Okay. For the number 2, ako naman. Anong scene?
The scene when, I'm the conyo and you're the jologs.
Okay. Jologs. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Yo!
Ew! You're nakakadiri. Don't touch me.
Okay, explain.
So, that's the, nakakadiri. You do it like this. You put your shades on. Shades. The cool one. With memories. And then, when a jologs taps you, say, ew! Like that. Nakakadiri ka. That's the Konya thing. Okay.
For the third is the I'm a liar way. This is rare. You should learn to do this. Okay.
Hey, what you doing there? What's your problem?
What's my problem? Oh, oh my gosh. So you're telling me I'm a liar?
No.
No, don't explain. No, I don't need explanations anymore. As in more, ever, forevermore by side A. No. Okay. That's what you call the I'm a liar. Tamang hinala. That's why it's a lie.
Tamang Tamang
Tamang hinala. The memories.
Okay.
Okay.
Hinala. Okay, tamang hinala.
Meron 5 minutes, 6 minutes na tayo. Ano pang gagawin natin? Meron ka pa? Pag happy naman. Okay. Example, ako yung friend mo na, okay, you have to show.
I'm gonna stand up.
Okay. I will sit na.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Oh my gosh, Jamaica, my crush just asked me out. Oh my god.
Okay, you explain it.
That's the so happy mode. So happy. As in, you really have to do it like this and you smile while you smile.
And this is, pwede yun sa mga kanguso ko. Sa mga malalaking labi or nguso.
Big mouth.
Kapamilya ko kayo. Pwede sa atin yan. Okay, ako naman. Okay, you stand. Ikaw ang tatayo.
I stand up.
Tatayo. Okay, upo. Oh my God! Narinig mo ba yung balita? Oh my God! Oh my God! Abra is single. Oh my God! I can apply. Oh my God! Oh my gosh! Okay.
No.
That's what you call the late reaction star. Late reaction star, when ang tagal nyo na magkatabi, tapos, kung kailan malapit siya umalis, tsaka mo sasabihin yung happy moment, yung happy news, yung good news na as in, magpapabongga. Okay, for the number 3, sinong tatayo?
The you.
Okay, it's me. O sige, ikaw na lang.
Okay. I sit down.
Kunyari, I'm sad muna. I'm sad.
I don't care. Care
But you
bears,
know,
teddy bears.
ano ba? Alam mo yung kahapon, it's, oh my God, oh my God, it's so fun, look what, oh my God, the memories are back.
These are the memories, bro.
Yeah, I don't care about that, I have new, okay, that's what you call the mood swing, or the bipolar. Yung, suddenly, sad ka, and then suddenly, you're happy na. It's just
Weird.
Are you crazy?
Are you kidding me? Packaging tape?
Oh my God. Our program is rated SPG and you don't
watch
no,
it.
don't say that. Or else many ano ba? Mahirap lang salita. Explain ko lang sa'yo mamaya. But, of course, it's, what time na ba? It's 9 minutes na. And ayaw naman namin
I wanna go home.
yeah, it's, what time is it na ba?
Oh, someone texted me.
8 o'clock na, and namimiss na namin ang aming mga super duper lovable friendsters, and kailangan na namin silang i-Twitter at i-Facebook. So, bye-bye. Bye-bye ka naman.
Hi. Bye. You follow me on Twitter, Danolin, as in DANUUH, Lin.
Lin.
I'm the twin of, Daniel Bartolome. I already told in the first video, so don't question me anymore. I'm tired. I'm packaging tape tired.
Spell tired. Tired. Hiwalay, tired.
Tired. T-A-E-R-D.
Okay, tama na. And
Tired.
follow me on Twitter at Jamie Bells. Please follow me and watch our videos.
Subscribe.
Bye-bye.